Good morning, Streetcar Shenanigans family. We are finally tearing down the 454 SS. So we got it in here to get ready to tear it down. To get ready to be torn down, I should say. Started by removing the 6 bolts that hold on to that black plastic thing, you know. 3 there, 3 on that side. And that's held on with Velcro as well. Right here, like so. Pretty tight, actually. So I'll try and get that off in a sec. But look at that thing. Auto body injection. Seen better days. Smells like some animals were up in here, and that's exactly what it was. Where I took the filter off just to look at it, the inside is full of animal, I guess, bedding, you could say. They attempted to make something in there, but luckily they didn't make it all the way into the motor. All inside. So they made it all the way to the filter, blocked the rest, so that was good. So now we're gonna start tear down, try and get this engine out, down to MJG ASAP. We want to try and get this thing fired up because it's been sitting for quite some time. We're gonna, pull the spark plug, spray some stuff down in there, empty the fuel, change it, and see if we can fire this bad boy up. But we were told to wait off. We don't want to ruin the block at all, since we're not using anything else, but we are trying to reuse the block and get it machined up. So we didn't want to cause any extra issues for Mark to have for this big block build. So we kind of held off on that, and are kind of just going to go straight into the tear down and get it down to him. Guess now we just start unplugging stuff and go from there. Well, little update, we got a lot of parts on the floor. Whole slew of things. All that's mostly out of it. So, now we got all that. Headers are unbolted on both sides. Obviously, radiator and all that's all out. You saw that stuff. Now we are going to get ready to, we're gonna get ready and pull the trans out of this thing out of the bottom. We're gonna go get the trans jack and jack up the trans, take the cross member out, and pull the trans. Everything else is underneath is done. Starters just got out and that thing is ginormous. Look at this thing, holy Jesus. Obviously he's gonna get a mini one for sure, but yeah, so far so good. Making good time. Drive chassis out. Drain the trans as much as possible while I was hanging. Let it just drip, drip. Torque converters unbolted, so we are gonna pull the trans here right now. Alright, we need to activate the smell vision because what you guys are about to see is not even describable how bad this truck has been stinking all day. Dan smells just like it. He's been in the engine bay all day and he reeks. Check this out. So we got the mat off already. There's a house here, a little house over there. But other than that, the bed mat was okay. And there's just literal shit everywhere. That whole corner is all full of it down there. Disgusting. This corner's the same. Battery box is full. That intake has a house in it, and that goes into this cold air intake up here, which I'm sure you can imagine what's going to be in that. So anyway, the engine's out of it, transmission's out of it, transmission's for sale. All these parts that came off of it are going to be for sale. We're going to push this outside, power wash it, and that's pretty much going to be a wrap on this video. Well, continuing on with the 454 build, we are now tearing the motor down and we're going to see what we find. You guys saw you could go a whole episode without seeing me in the video. Fat chance. Alright guys, this concludes this section of the 454 SS project. You guys saw Dan take the engine out, rip it all apart, and we ran out of memory card space, so I'm not sure where we left off on that. But you guys will get an update on it. Right now the big block is at MJE. He's going to be putting together a pretty stout, decent compression roller package. Hopefully going to make around 600 horsepower with that thing. We have to order suspension pieces, Holly pieces, and really jump into that. But we dropped off the big block and a Dart 9.5 deck SHP for the Lightning. So both of those engines are getting built together. Similar compression on both of them. One's going to be ready for boost, so it won't have quite as much compression, but they're both going to be sweet. So make sure you guys are staying subscribed down below.
We were trying to really do Monday and Thursday uploads, but we're getting mixed up again. But we are sticking to 2 weeks, 2 a week. All right, guys. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for the support. Smash the subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.